Robert Kiyosaki's Rich Dad, Poor Dad isn't just a book about money. It's a paradigm shift in how we perceive wealth, success, and financial independence. This global bestseller contrasts the financial philosophies of two father figures, the poor dad, who follows conventional wisdom about education and job security, and the rich dad, who thinks differently about money, investments, and entrepreneurship. Kiyosaki reveals the fundamental differences between the wealthy and the middle class through their contrasting views. If you want to break free from financial struggles and build long-term wealth, the lessons in this book are invaluable. Here are 6 key takeaways that can change your financial future. 1. The rich don't work for money. Most people work for money, trading their time for a paycheck. The rich, however, make their money work for them by investing in assets that generate passive income. Instead of relying solely on a salary, they build businesses, invest in real estate, and acquire assets that grow in value over time. Here's some example. Think of people who own rental properties. They don't have to clock in daily to earn rent. Their investment generates income while they focus on other ventures. So, start focusing on income-generating assets instead of just earning a paycheck. Learn about real estate, stocks, or side businesses that can create passive income streams. 2. Financial education is more important than a high salary. Kiyosaki emphasizes that financial literacy is key to wealth building because many high-income earners still struggle with money because they lack financial education. Understanding how money, taxes, and investments work is more valuable than simply earning more. Without proper financial knowledge, even a 6-figure salary can vanish due to poor money management. Conversely, people with modest incomes but strong financial acumen can accumulate significant wealth over time. Here's some example. Consider individuals who win the lottery but go bankrupt within a few years because they don't know how to manage their sudden wealth. So, invest time in learning about personal finance, budgeting, and investing. Read books, attend workshops, or consult financial advisors to improve your money management skills. 3. Buy assets, not liabilities. One of the most powerful lessons from Rich Dad, Poor Dad is the difference between assets and liabilities. Assets put money in your pocket: stocks, rental properties, businesses, while liabilities take money out: loans, expensive cars, credit card debt. The rich focus on accumulating assets that generate passive income. Here's some example. A new car might seem like an asset, but it depreciates quickly and requires ongoing expenses like insurance and maintenance. In contrast, investing in a small rental property could generate monthly income and appreciate over time. So, before making a purchase, ask yourself, is this an asset or a liability? Aim to grow your asset column while minimizing unnecessary liabilities. 4. Mindset shapes wealth. Your financial situation is often a reflection of your mindset. If you believe that making money is difficult, you'll never take the risks necessary to build wealth. The wealthy think differently, embracing opportunities and calculated risks rather than playing it safe. A growth mindset encourages you to learn, adapt, and find solutions, while a fixed mindset limits your potential. Rich Dad believed that financial success starts with believing you can achieve it. Here's some example. Entrepreneurs often face failures before succeeding. Their mindset drives them to see failures as lessons, not dead ends. So, shift your mindset from scarcity to abundance by seeing opportunities instead of limitations. Practice positive self-talk, set ambitious goals, and surround yourself with people who inspire growth. 5. Work to learn, not just to earn. Many people choose jobs based on salary rather than learning opportunities. Kiyosaki suggests working in fields that teach valuable skills such as sales, investing, and entrepreneurship rather than just chasing a paycheck. Learning how to sell, manage people, and understand market trends can have long-term benefits far beyond your current job. These skills are transferable and can help you succeed in multiple areas of life. Here's some example. A young graduate working in sales may not earn as much initially, but gains crucial negotiation and persuasion skills that are invaluable in business. So, look for jobs or side hustles that help you develop financial and business skills. Prioritize experiences that challenge you and broaden your knowledge base. 6. The power of entrepreneurship and investing. Rich Dad encourages entrepreneurship and investing as paths to financial freedom. Whether it's starting a business, investing in stocks, or owning rental properties, The key is to create multiple streams of income instead of relying on a single employer. Entrepreneurs control their time and income potential, while investors make their money grow without actively working for it. Both require a willingness to take risks and continuously learn. Here's some examples. Someone who starts an online business can eventually automate operations, earning money even while on vacation. Similarly, an investor in dividend-paying stocks receives regular income without daily effort. So, explore ways to start a side business or invest in income-generating opportunities. Diversify your income streams to achieve financial independence. Final thoughts. Rich Dad, Poor Dad isn't just about money. It's about developing the mindset and habits that lead to financial success. You can transform your financial future by focusing on financial education, investing in assets, and thinking like the wealthy. Thanks for watching.